everyone. Most people often ask me, why are you so passionate about your work? Well, the truth is, every patient that walks through my door has a story, has a vision, has a wish that they want to look better about themselves. And me giving them that change, that confidence in them is priceless, and I love doing it. It's not about hair, aesthetic, or well-being. It's just that I'm restoring the confidence and the identity, giving them a better thinking and a better well-being about themselves. So what I've decided, New Year is coming, rather than my Punjabi Sikh New Year is coming, and it's called Vaisakhi. So for Vaisakhi, and that is going to be this end of this weekend, sorry. So I've decided to have videos titled Let's Chat with DDI. DDI means Dr. Inder, because I'm fondly known by my friends, by my staff, DDI, the short form of Dr. Inder, and I've decided to do videos talking about everything, life, lifestyle, advice on hair, aesthetic, and many others. Which time goes by, let me think about it. So stay tuned for my video. Thanks.